a racing bird, bandit. So bandit every is our green-winged macaw. This bird can be found in the woodland and forest in northern and central South of America. Here you go, our show officially started. A round of applause for flag racing bird, bandit. Next says raising the next future bird is like any best friend. Sometimes best friends can bird. This is blue and this is azul. So the go blue, azul, go azul. Ready? Birds.
Azul just used her brain. So
let's start. Hi. Other side. Hello. The macaw has a beautiful shade of blue in its back and solid yellow in its belly and inner ribs. His eyes and beaks are earlier doing basketball. Thought and illusion. So please keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So bandit can do it, so can are particularly intelligent. And they will enhance these skills so they won't get bored in the wild. They use their intelligence to find food, shelter, and good place for nest. Intelligent cat, a round of applause for bandit. Gold searching, scanning sky. Using his psychic power, she found it. A round of applause for a psychic bird, Goldie. In general, kakadu with red, happy or made. Against no is our Mulukian kakadu. So, atagan sa nato si trainer o si Snow na mag-study. So, Snow is ready. So, first, give me a first number. Snow grab number 2. So, first number correct? Wait, dili sure ang uban. The first number correct. Snow correct daw. Finish your answer. So, 10 plus 15 is 25. A round of applause for mathematician Snow. Also known as Elastos Idus. This bird living in Southeast Asia. Is also known as the sea eagle. These birds hunt small animals, snakes, and rodents. If you compare Freddy and so that is it. Our Philippine serpent eagle Freddy. As the following are homing pigeon. So guys, wait lang na ito and tuyok ang atong homing pigeon. Makita ninyo sa upper right corner. So that's it. Homing pigeon. Homing pigeon detects the flight direction, altitude, and location. migration.
So, kung lang sila lumupat,
Our homing pigeon and raptor.